So first I just wanted to say thank you to everyone for being so kind and supportive in the last video. It really means a lot to me. And all that's left to do now is move forward and keep doing our best, so that's what we're gonna do. But as far as the next thing goes, you guys remember when I was bitching about Unreal 5's new crazy movement system that they wanted everyone to learn and how I kind of avoided it because of how crazy, complicated, and insane it was? Well, very recently my boss was like, hey, I think you should learn how to use Unreal 5's crazy new movement system. And I was like, okay, boss, how do you propose I do that? And he was like, I don't know, on your spare time, like, make something with it. And you know how every time your boss says that you should do something, we all know he really means,
you better learn this shit or I'll fire you.
And I'm not trying to get fired right now, so over the next month, I will literally just be throwing my life at the UE5 Gameplay Animation Sample Project, also known as GASP. Yes, you heard correctly. The name of the most cutting-edge professional game animation system is named after a fucking telenovela meme. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that for the next month-ish, the videos coming out are just going to be whatever I learn about GASP. I was told to make something, so something I will make. So here's my goal. I will try to customize and adjust the GASP project to allow me to add some simple shooting mechanics and a melee button to trigger some sick assassination animations if we get close enough to the target. And as a stretch goal, if we can trigger some camera work when that happens, then even better. Now, there's a shitload of work that goes into even just that, but that's the goal for now. And hopefully after a few weeks, I will know enough about GASP to not be fired. So wish me luck. And as always, hope you have a fantastic day and I'll see you around.